Chucky, it's time to pick the winner. Okay? You pick one? Good boy. Okay, what'd you get? Can I see it? Can I see what you got? You're not going to let me see? Is it a surprise? Can I see what you got? All right, should we go get a treat? Let's see who you picked. What'd you pick? You picked Danielle Dow. Here. Good job. Okay, so you have Danielle. Congratulations, you're the first winner. You excited for her? You have to pick one more. Let's go pick another one. One more. Come here, Chucky. Okay, Chucky, come here. Pick one more. Chucky, pick one more. Pick a good one. Okay. You drop it? Can I have it? Okay, let's go out in the kitchen. Come on. Okay. Let's see it. Can I have it? Chucky. Okay. Let's see who you picked. Who did you pick? Okay, can I see it? Let me have it. Here. Okay. And you picked Linda Myers. Congratulations, Linda Myers. Good job, Chucky. Chucky, say congratulations. Yay! Hey, thanks for liking my page.